Here's my bear shot. I am through playing around with all these junk mowers. Here's another random bear shot. Oh yeah. Then went and got me a Haas. This is a 54-inch cut. Says it right there, 54-inch cut. .24 horsepower Briggs Stratton Platinum. I don't know what the Platinum is. Metal hood, not plastic, not fiberglass. Came loaded up with oil. Only thing I don't like about it, something I can get by, it is hydrostatic. Seat's nice and comfortable. As you can tell, I've made a round in the grass with it, so it has already been started. Brand new. G5600. Okay, that's not anything I'm familiar with. It does come with a bumper on it, so I won't be breaking my hood off of this one. Because even though it's got a metal hood, it's still got a plastic grill on it. And it all attaches to the grill. So I imagine those grills are going to be about 500 bucks. Had to take it off the old trailer by hand because pulled her car off of the trailer before I got ready to go instead of just hauling it down to the foundry like I wanted to. And it kind of ripped the front bumper off and ate my other ramp. So one thing that's kind of interesting, that little deal right there, you actually hook your garden hose up to it for it to clean your deck for you. That's some new feature this year. This is a 2016. And it's about $3 grand worth of tractor sitting right there. What's this? Oh, battery by Die Hard. Whoopee. Battery's a battery unless you figure out a way to put a red top in this thing. And really, there's just not enough room. You'd have to rebuild this whole cowl. But yeah, tired fooling around with the junk. And here's what really ticked me off. I got this one because that one, 25 horse, also Briggs, as you can see right there. Went to fire it up first of last season, died. It sparked, it turned over a little bit, sparked one time and died. Guess what I can do with it right now? Battery's still got a charge on it. I can sit there and turn the sucker over before all the lights went out and it popped a fuse. So I replaced the fuse last year and the lights wouldn't come back on. Just a little bit ago when I got home, just out of curiosity's sake, because I was getting ready to steal the battery bolts out of that one, I stuck the key, because it uses the same one as this one, stuck the key in there and went to crank it over, and I'll be doggone if the stupid thing didn't start firing or turning over like it was going to fire up. Anyway, so yeah, got me a new toy that I'll have to pay on for the next probably year and a half, 2 years. But it's brand new, so if anything goes wrong with it, I did it. I'm happy with it. Didn't do like a lot of people do. I actually did check the oil before I took off in it that first little round, and it does a really good job. Nice and smooth, turns real easy, turns real sharp. And it kicks right along, and Bear cannot stand it. He hates this thing. He started yapping at it when I first cranked it up, and then he started following me around like Shadow used to, our black shepherd that we had. Anyway, that's it for this for now. Oh yeah, this ain't a new start or a cold start, but you don't like it. Nice bright light. Oh, and it's got cruise control. Parking brake, deck level, gas tank, cup holder. I think I kind of got ripped off on that part. Anyway, that's all.